Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking the visual direction so every effect serves the song. Choose references and mark key beats. Once done, import and organize footage into labeled bins and create proxies to keep playback smooth. Make sure to set your sequence resolution and frame rate to match final delivery, and enable version saves so you can revert. By taking these first actions, you avoid rework later and create a reproducible pipeline that lets you iterate fast and stay synced to the music. You now construct the core VFX. Track, stabilize, and apply roto where elements need isolation, because clean mattes make composites believable. Then create layers, particles, glows, light leaks, and use blending modes plus timed keyframes to sync intensity with beats. Once the major elements are placed, refine with motion blur and temporal smoothing to match frame cadence and avoid jitter. Make sure to keep edge details and color intent consistent so effects feel integrated, not pasted on top of the performance. You finalize by rendering a high-quality master and creating delivery proxies for review. Choose codecs that preserve color and dynamic range. Once rendered, do a full audio-video sync check and a last color tweak to ensure consistency across shots. If playback shows flicker or dropout, re-render suspicious clips with motion blur and higher temporal sampling. If edges look aliased, increase render anti-aliasing or export at a higher resolution. Use device tests to confirm the final experience matches intent before you deliver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.